Today, we're looking at the BleeqUp Ranger AI sports camera glasses, a wearable promising hands-free 3K video, open-ear audio, and a walkie-talkie function, all integrated into a lightweight design. It claims a 16MP camera with EIS stabilization, built for active outdoor use. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore how the Ranger AI glasses perform in actual use and what you can expect from their capabilities. Capturing moments without using your hands is a significant advantage, especially for activities where holding a phone or camera is simply not practical. While the wide-angle recording sounds promising for outdoor shots, its actual quality, stability, and detail in various daylight conditions are not yet independently confirmed. The open-ear design helps you stay aware of your surroundings, which is crucial for safety during outdoor activities like cycling or running. The integrated walkie-talkie is an intriguing feature for group activities, but its practical range and consistent reliability still need more thorough evaluation. Overall, these glasses offer genuine convenience for hands-free recording and helpful open-ear audio for safety. However, the actual performance of the camera and walkie-talkie features still requires more independent validation to truly confirm their capabilities. Next, let's assess whether the BleeqUp Ranger glasses deliver enough tangible value to justify their current price point. These glasses integrate a camera, open-ear audio, UV protection, and even communication, offering a multifunctional device in a single wearable form factor. The stated 3K resolution is good, but without independent testing, we can't confirm the real-world stabilization, detail, or low-light performance. The lightweight design and interchangeable lenses are well-suited for casual outdoor activities, assuming the fit is secure and the weather resistance holds up. With limited independent reviews and testing available, accurately assessing the true value and performance of this product becomes significantly challenging for buyers. The combination of multiple features in one device presents good potential value. However, the unverified recording quality and limited independent evidence make it harder to fully justify the current asking price. Finally, let's address the potential risks and common complaints, particularly given the limited independent evidence for these smart glasses. Using a wearable camera raises important privacy questions about consent and adherence to recording laws, which buyers must navigate carefully in public spaces. Long-term reliability of components like the battery, hinges, camera, and wireless connections is uncertain due to a lack of extended user data and testing. The companion app lacks clear documentation regarding its permissions and future update support, making it hard to assess its security and longevity for users. Given the uncertain performance, having a clear and hassle-free return policy from the retailer is absolutely essential for buyers to mitigate potential disappointment. Buyers face significant risks regarding privacy, long-term reliability, and the security of the companion app. These areas lack sufficient independent information, making careful consideration essential before purchase. The Ranger AI sport camera glasses present a compelling concept for capturing casual first-person footage and staying connected outdoors. However, the lack of extensive independent testing means crucial aspects like camera quality, stabilization, and battery life remain largely unverified. Consider these an early adopter purchase for the innovative form factor, but don't expect the robustness or proven performance of dedicated action cameras without more data. It's a conditional buy for the adventurous.